Good morning, morning everyone. Students of the frequency distribution, chapter number 5, statistics, in which discrete frequency distribution and Pauli's method. Calculate the coefficient of skewness with the help of Pauli's method. In our textbook, page number 206, exercise number 5.2, example number 1. Calculate Pauli's coefficient of skewness for the following data. We are given age of the person and number of the person. Please arrange the data in ascending form. This is arrange form 17, 18, 20, 22, 23, 25, 26, 28. In textbook, it is not in the arrangement. So please arrange first of all. Frequency 17, frequency 4, frequency for 18, 11, frequency for 20, 19. Please write down the appropriate relative frequency and cumulative frequency. 4 and 11, 4 plus 11, 15, 15 plus 19, 34, 34 plus 9, 43, 43 plus 8, 51 plus 22, 73 plus 7, 80, 80 plus 3, 83. Frequency total will become n equal to 83. See, if Pauli's coefficient is required, then Q1, Q2, Q3, it is also known as quartile coefficient of skewness, and the given frequency distribution is discrete type. So we write discrete frequency distribution table. Only these three columns are enough, right? Now calculation of Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, 1 outside the bracket, inside the bracket n plus 1 upon 4, value or observation or item. N means 83 plus 1, 84, 84 upon 4, 84 upon 4 it becomes 21, 21 into 1 means 21, 21 value or item, 21 in the CF column means it is 20, means answer of Q1 equal to 2020, yeah, answer number 1. Now Q2 means 2, n plus 1 upon 4, n means 83, 83 plus 1 upon 4 means 84 by 4, 21 into 2 means 42, value or item, it will be 22, means answer of Q2 is 22, yeah, answer number 2. Q3 means 3, n plus 1 upon 4, 83 plus 1, 84, 84 upon 4, 21, 21 multiplied by 3 means 63, 63 once again in the column of, this is 73, and therefore answer of Q3 is answer of Q1, answer of Q2, answer of Q3, means Q1 20 here, Q2 22, Q3 is 25. See, chapter number 3, measures of central tendency, in which we have studied the positional measures, quartiles, deciles and percentiles, and that is why the chapter or the method is important at the study point of view for skewness. Now, Pauli's coefficient of skewness, the formula for Pauli's coefficient of skewness is J is given by Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 times Q2 upon Q3 minus Q1. Q3 means 25, Q1 means 20, 2 times Q2 means 20, 2 upon 25 minus 20, answer will be 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 is 0.2. Means just revision of chapter 3 and chapter 4 it becomes chapter number 5. This formula is Pauli's method. Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 times Q2 upon Q3 minus Q1. Sometimes instead of Q2, median can also use. As J equal to 0.2, since J, the coefficient of skewness is 0.2, therefore the distribution or frequency distribution is said to be positively skewed. Answer is plus, means positively skewed under low degree, because answer is somewhat near to 0. 0 and 0.5 but near to 0, and that is why we should write skewness under low degree. Be practice of this type of example, minimum 5 to 7 number of the example of the same type from textbook, from illustration, exercise or any practice book or work you have. So thank you everybody. See you.